Our brand founder, Kevyn Aucoin, was a master when it came to sculpting the features of the face, either soft or dramatic. In his book, Making Faces, he mentions that lighter colors make things stand out and darker colors will push things back. Hi, I'm Nick Lujan, the Global Head of Education and Artistry for Kevyn Aucoin Beauty, and today we're going to talk about something new and fabulous, the new Kevyn Aucoin Contour Eyeshadow Palettes. Rooted in Kevyn's theories of highlight, contour, and enhancing your features, each of the 4 palettes features 6 highly pigmented, talc-free, easily blendable and buildable shades of eyeshadow. In your palette, you'll see that the 3 shadows on top are designed to be matte and absorb light, so you get the perfect shades in light, medium, and deep to base out your eye area, but also to create that ultimate dimension to your features. The bottom row features 3 shimmering shades, including 1 shade that's designed to help highlight and bring forward the inner corner of the eye, the brow bone, but you can also use this as a little bit of a cheek highlight. These palettes were specially curated by makeup artists with the perfect shades based on skin tone in light, medium, medium deep, and deep. But because they're super customizable, you can use multiple palettes really easily. They are super universal in shade. And to customize your palette, all you do is pop out your eyeshadow from the back here. They're held in with magnets, and you can rearrange your palettes to fit your specific needs or if you're on the go. Today I'm going to create our signature contoured eyeshadow look that Kevyn was really known for. I start by framing the eye area using True Feather Brow Marker Gel Duo. I absolutely love the clear gel end to set and style my brows for the day. Next, I'm going to base out my eye area using Sensual Skin Enhancer. I love that this has flexible coverage, it's waterproof, long wearing, and sweat resistant. It's a great base to any look. If you flick your brush in the outer corner, it creates a lift to the eye shape. For the signature contoured eye look, I'm going to start with the medium palette using the lightest matte shade called Creme as an all-over eyeshadow base and to set down my Sensual Skin Enhancer. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the medium matte shade called Sandstone and really softly apply that through the crease of the eye. This already starts to build a little bit of dimension to the look, and you can actually stop the look here or you can continue on to make it a bit more dramatic. Now I'm going to build in some extra contrast using the Earth shade. That's that deeper matte shade from the palette. Start by using it as a smoky liner effect with a really nice firm brush. Then use a clean fluffier brush to really soften and blend it out. You can go back through and add multiple layers to get to the desired effect for intensity. I love to pull this slightly into the crease of the eye as well. Here I'm using a lightly damp angled brush. With that same shade Earth, I love this as a very natural or a subtle eyeliner effect. It also gives the illusion that the lashes are a little fuller right at the root. An important step to enhancing your features is to add a bit of shimmer. I'm using the shade Glisten from the medium palette to add that little point of light at the inner corner of the eye, under the arch of the brow, and I like a little extra highlight down below in that inner corner as well. Now let's have some fun. I love using the color Topaz as an all-over lid color. You can use this on its own every day as just a quick swipe of color or incorporate it into your contoured eye look. It's time to frame the eye using a precision eye definer. This is the shade Kobika. It's a waterproof, long-wearing eyeliner that's great as a base, but also in that inner rim to really frame the whites of the eye. Curling my lashes is one of the most important steps on the daily. Using the Kevyn Aucoin curler makes such a big difference. Check it out from side to side. The Indecent mascara is super creamy, super dark with a really great brush to help define and separate lashes. You can layer it up as many times as you want to get crazy, crazy drama. I like just a couple layers for a softer look. We can't wait to see all of the beautiful eyeshadow looks that you create, as well as how you customize your Kevyn Aucoin Contour Eyeshadow Palette. So make sure that when you post, you tag us at Kevyn Aucoin, and you also hashtag customize.